Good morning, student. Today we will continue our exercise 7th B. Some questions, word problems related to linear equations. Now today we will discuss topic about the problems on speed, time and distance. Here we are discussing exercise 7th B, question number 17 here. What is the question number 17? See, two cars leave Delhi at the same time traveling in opposite direction. It means we take two cars. Suppose this one car A and this one car B. Traveling at the same time they will start, but traveling in opposite direction. If the average speed of one car is 5 km per hour more than that of the other, let the average speed of car be is x km per hour. Then car A speed becomes x plus 5 km per hour. It means अगर एक कार की स्पीड x किलोमीटर है तो अनदर कार की स्पीड जो है वो 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर मोर देन है उस कार से. सो लेट द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ कार B इज इक्वल टू x किलोमीटर पर आवर. देन कार A स्पीड वी कैन टेक x प्लस 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्टेटमेंट. If the average speed of one car is 5 km per hour more than that of the other and they are 425 km apart at the end of 5 hours, means जब वो एक दूसरे से मिलने वाले हैं 5 hours के बीच में, उन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस है 425 किलोमीटर एट द एंड ऑफ 5 hours. 5 आवर्स के बीच के लिए उनका डिस्टेंस कितना है 425 किलोमीटर. व्हाट इज द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ ईच? इट मीन्स इस 425 किलोमीटर को वो दोनों मिलकर कंप्लीट करेंगे. सो वी कैन राइट डाउन इन द सॉल्यूशन, लेट एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ कार बी is equal to x kilometer per hour, then average speed of car A is equal to x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Combined speed, because they are traveling in opposite direction, then we will calculate the combined speed of both car, that is x plus 5, that is equal to 2x plus 5 kilometer per hour. This distance 425 kilometer distance they will cover at the end of 5 hours. It means उस 5 hours के अंदर दोनों कार मिलकर कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है 425 किलोमीटर, और दोनों कारों की कंबाइंड स्पीड क्या है 2x plus 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. So we can say distance covered in 5 hours is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time, that is 2x plus 5 multiplied by 5. And according to statement, this distance 2x plus 5 into 5 is equal to 425. Now solve it and find the value of x. 2x plus 5 become 425, divide 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25. 2x is equal to 85 minus 5, that is 80. X is equal to 80 by 2, that is equal to 40 km per hour. It means we can say car B speed 40 km per hour and car A speed 45 km per hour. if they are moving in same direction, then we will do subtraction. We will take the subtraction of their speed, difference of their speed. Or when they are moving in opposite direction, then we will take the combined speed of both vehicle. So this type we will solve this question. Again see here that two cars leave Delhi at the same time. दोनों ने same time पे start किया है, but in opposite direction they are moving. लास्ट 5 आवर्स के अंदर उनको 425 किलोमीटर कवर करना है. देन व्हाट इज द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ ईच कार? सो लेट द स्पीड ऑफ कार बी x किलोमीटर पर आवर. डजंट मैटर इफ यू टेक हियर दैट लेट द कार a स्पीड इज इक्वल टू x किलोमीटर पर आवर. वन ऑफ द कार स्पीड बिकम्स 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड अनदर कार स्पीड बिकम्स 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो 425 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस दे विल कवर टुगेदर. बोथ कार टुगेदर कवर द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 425 किलोमीटर इन लास्ट 5 आवर्स. So we will calculate firstly that in last 5 hours what is the speed, combined speed of these cars, and in the last 5 hours how many distance they will cover. Then we will compare with the given distance and then we will find out the value of x here. Then car A speed becomes x plus 5, that is the 40 plus 5 becomes 45. Okay, see the next question. A steamer going, this is the question number exercise 7th B, question number 20. A steamer going downstream in a river covers the distance between two towns in 20 hours. Coming back upstream it covers this distance in 25 hours. The speed of water is 4 kilometer per hour. Find the distance between the two towns. Find the distance between the two towns. A steamer going downstream in a river. देखो in a river, river में टू टाइप्स की स्पीड है. स्पीड ऑफ वाटर, स्पीड ऑफ स्ट्रीम वी कैन से, एंड स्पीड ऑफ स्टिल वाटर. जब पानी एकदम रुका हुआ हो. Speed of boat in still water, we don't know, so we take let speed of boat in still water is equal to x kilometer per hour, and speed of water (4 kilometer per hour) it is given to you. Now see downstream. and upstream. In downstream, it means your boat is moving in the direction of water. वाटर जिस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो कर रहा है, बोट भी अगर उसी डायरेक्शन में जा रही है, सो इट इज कॉल्ड डाउनस्ट्रीम. देन वी एड बोथ स्पीड, दैट बिकम्स स्पीड ऑफ बोट इन स्टिल वाटर एंड स्पीड ऑफ वाटर. इन अपस्ट्रीम वी टेक difference of this. Upstream, that is speed of boat in still water minus speed of water. Now see, in the case of downstream, it covers the distance between two towns in 20 hours. So downstream speed become x plus 4 kilometer per hour and upstream speed become x minus 4 kilometer per hour. Then distance covered in downstream is equal to, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So downstream speed is equal to x plus 4 multiplied by how many hours? 20 hours. This 1 kilometer. And distance covered in upstream is equal to speed into time, that is x minus 4 multiplied by 25 kilometer. You can see easily that you are doing right or wrong. x plus 4, you are combining the speed. अगर हमारी speed increase हो जाएगी तो time कम लगेगा. So here we are taking only 20 hours. In the downstream we are taking only 20 hours. Or x minus 4, it means we are decreasing our speed. The net average speed is decreasing. It means it will take more time. That's why it is taking 25 hours. बट चाहे वो अपस्ट्रीम मूव करे चाहे डाउनस्ट्रीम मूव करे, दे आर मूविंग बिटवीन टू टाउन्स, मे बी इन द सेम डायरेक्शन और मे बी इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. इन बोथ केस दे विल complete the same distance. It means that this distance, that is x plus 4 multiplied by 20 is equal to x minus 4 multiplied by 25. These distance should be equal. Now compare, this become 20x plus 80, 25x minus 100. This one if I transpose here and this one here, then it become 80 plus 100 is equal to 25x minus 20x. Then it become 180 is equal to 5x. 180 divided by 5 is equal to x. 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30. It means x, that speed of boat in the still water is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. Speed of the boat in still water is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. But your question is, find the distance between the two towns. We know that in both the case, maybe distance covered in downstream or maybe distance covered by the upstream. Both are equal. So, we can put our x value in any one of the equation, then you can find out the distance between the two towns. So, what is the distance between two towns? Distance between two towns is equal to any one equation you can take. Suppose I take x plus 4 multiplied by 20. Then it becomes 36 plus 4 into 20. 36 plus 4, 40. That become 800 kilometer. Or if you will put your value in the next equation, that is x minus 4 multiply by 25, then x minus 4, 36 minus 4 multiply by 25, 32 multiply by 25, 25 to the 50, 75 for 5, 80. In both case you will get the same distance, that is the 800 kilometer. So this time we will find out the distance between the two towns in the case of upstream and downstream. In the case of both these type of question, there are two types of speed. First speed of the boat in still water, and next type of speed, that speed of the stream or maybe speed of the water. In the case of downstream, we will add these two speed, and in the case of upstream, we will subtract these speeds. Okay, student. Now we will discuss another questions. Your question number 21. Ranjana's mother gave her rupees 245 Ranjana's mother gave her rupees 245 for buying New Year cards. For buying New Year cards. If she got some 10 rupees card, if she got some 10 rupees card, two-third as many 5 rupees card, two-third as many 5 rupees card, and 1/5 as many 15 rupees card, and 1/5 as many 15 rupees card. How many of each kind? How many of each kind did she buy? Did she buy? Ranjana's mother gave her rupees 245. 245 रुपीज़ के कार्ड परचेज किए गए हैं, जिसमें इफ़ शी गोट सम 10 रुपीज़ कार्ड, कुछ कार्ड 10 रुपीज़ के हैं, कुछ कार्ड 5 रुपीज़ के, 2/3 of it and 1/5 of it 15 rupees card. So we want to find out that how many of each kind did she buy, कि उसने हर टाइप के कार्ड्स कितने खरीदे. We don't know, then total money we have that total money she have rupees 245. 10 rupees card. So let number of cards of 10 rupees is equal to x. Then total cost of 10 rupees card become x into 10, that is 10x. Now number of cards of 5 rupees is equal to 2/3. It means जितने कार्ड उसने 10 रुपीज़ के खरीदे हैं उसके 2/3 कार्ड्स, 2/3 of x, that is 2/3x. So total cost of 5 rupees card is equal to 2x by 3 multiply by 5 becomes 10x by 3 rupees. 1/5 as many 15 rupees कार्ड मीन्स जितने टोटल कार्ड 10 रुपीज़ के खरीदे हैं, बाय किए हैं, नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स ऑफ 15 रुपीज़ इज इक्वल टू 1/5 ऑफ x. It means 1/5x. Then total cost of 15 rupees card is equal to 1/5x into 15 becomes 3x rupees. Total money we know that she have 245 rupees. It means we can say according to statement 10x plus 10x by 3 plus 3x is equal to 245. Now solve this equation and find the value of x. LCM we can say 3, then 30x plus 10x plus 9x is equal to 245. It becomes 49x upon 3 is equal to 245. Then 49x is equal to 245 into 3. X is equal to 245 into 3 divided by 49. 49 5s are 245, then x becomes 15. It means 10 rupees cards become 15. 5 rupees card becomes 2 by 3 into 15, 10. And 15 rupees card become 1/5 into 15, that is 3 cards. You can verify your answer. 15 card 10 rupees. It means 15 into 10 plus 10 cards 5 rupees. It means 10 into 5 plus 3 cards 15 rupees. Then it becomes 150 plus 50 plus 45, that is equal to 245. We can verify also our result. Again see what is the meaning of this question. Ranjana's mother gave her 245 rupees for buying New Year card. New Year card को परचेज करने के लिए उसे 245 rupees मिले हैं. If she got some 10 rupees card, some 10 rupees card, कुछ cards उसके पास 10 rupees के, we don't know, so we assume that let the number of cards of 10 rupees equals to x. Then total cost of 10 rupees card becomes number of cards multiply by 10, that becomes 10x. नेक्स्ट 2/3 as many 5 rupees. इट मीन्स जितने कार्ड्स उसके पास 10 रुपीज़ के हैं उसके 2/3 उसने 5 रुपीज़ के कार्ड खरीदे हैं. तो 2/3 ऑफ x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5, देन वी फाइंड आउट द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ 5 रुपीज़ कार्ड. 1/5 ऑफ द 15 रुपीज़ कार्ड. इट मीन्स 1/5 ऑफ x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 15, देन टोटल कॉस्ट should be equal to 245. By solving it we get the value of x is equal to 15. Then we can find out the number of cards of 10 rupees, 5 rupees and 15 rupees. In the next lecture we will discuss some more questions, then you will try completely your exercise 7b. Thank you.